Question B8. Which of these transformations will make an incongruent shape? A translation, an enlargement, a reflection, or rotation? Well, what we need to remember is that congruent basically means the same size, but it can be flipped, it can be translated, it can be turned or rotated. So incongruent is basically going to mean not the same size. So let's just have a quick look at what we've got. So flipping the shape doesn't change the size. So flipping the shape, that gives you two congruent shapes, even though one's flipped over. Sliding the shape, remember sliding the shape left or right, up or down is a very basic way of describing a translated shape. So sliding the shape or translating the shape doesn't change size. So that is also congruent. Rotating the shape doesn't change the size of the shape. So turning is obviously a basic version of the word rotate, and that is also congruent. So this one here is representative of an enlargement, and the distance from the center of enlargement, which is this dot here, center of enlargement, is being doubled from the original shape to the enlargement. So this distance here is doubled to get to the new point on the new shape. This distance here is doubled to get to the equivalent point on the new shape, and this distance down here is doubled to get to the new point on the new shape. But as you can see, the shape is bigger. So, and that means not the same size. So this one is going to be incongruent because it's bigger. The actual word that you normally use in maths for when you enlarge a shape, so all the sides are doubled on the scale factor. So if that's 3, you've doubled it to make 6 up the side, and if that's 2, you doubled it to make 4. If you enlarge a shape with a scale factor, you generally don't tend to call it incongruent. The better word for describing these is similar. They are similar shapes, because all the sides are in the same ratio. They've all been doubled because the scale factor is ×2. So the correct answer to this question, which will make an incongruent shape, which is a different size, it's going to be an enlargement.